According to Norton's theorem, a linear bilateral active network can be replaced equivalent to a Norton current IN and Norton resistance Rn in parallel across terminal A and B. Now let's consider a network having a 3 resistance across terminal A and B. Here it is R1, R2, R3 plus minus Vs. According to Norton's theorem, we have to find out ISC and R equivalent across terminal A and B. To find out ISC, first of all we have to short circuit this path, and here the current is ISC, and this ISC is nothing but IN. IN is equal to ISC. This ISC can be calculated by using any method, loop method, nodal analysis, or even superposition theorem if there is more than one source in this circuit. Then we can calculate ISC. Similarly, to find out the R equivalent across terminal A and B, all the sources are replaced with their internal resistance, and equivalent resistance across terminal A and B is calculated, and that resistance is nothing but Rn, that is Norton equivalent resistance, R1, R2, R3. And if it is voltage source, then it will be a short circuit. We calculated RAB, which is equals to Rn. Now then equivalent network can be drawn as same as that of this one. This is IN, where IN is equal to ISC. The ISC is calculated across terminal A and B. Now in this network, Rn is known to us, IN is known to us. This is known as Norton equivalent network. To find out current and voltage in any load RL, that can be calculated using current division rule. IL is equal to total current multiplied by opposite resistance divided by sum of resistance, Rn plus RL. Now knowing the value of IL, we can calculate VL, which is equals to IL into RL.